We are here at the recovery center. Airbrushes.
How sick's that?
I don't know, but it's worth it. I like the coloring. It's really nice. Kind of cute. Kind of boss. Yep. Boom. Look at how cute they wrap the books. I like it. It's so like vintage. It's crazy. That's cool, yo. It does say Lysine. How do you say that? Lysine. Camera stuff. Everywhere. What in the world is that? Is that like? Is that like a video recorder? That's a video recorder. What is this?
It's a little projector.
A projector?
Yes.
It looks like it blows air, if I'm honest.
It's a lens.
Nah, really?
It's a lens.
Look how big this thing is, guys, just so you can reference.
It's a magnifying lens.
This is my hand.
100%.
And that is the item. It's big. Oh wow, that's cool. We're finished with the first place that we went thrift shopping in, and literally I felt like I was stealing stuff because everything was so cheap. I literally bought like a light, some little pot things, a beautiful jacket. I got like a little candle holder as well, and that was all for $22. I am literally amazed at how cheap that was. Mac, are you excited?
Yeah.
We gonna get this bargain.
Yeah.
We gonna get this. Wee! Matcha colored.
On your head. Look at the old cars.
Look at that. I hope I'm in focus. So today I am just going to be installing these Project Mu D1 spec brake pads on my rear 180SX calipers for my drift car because we found that my rear calipers aren't locking with my hydro. So this is like the cheapest way out of it before going to like a dual caliper setup. So I'm going to try to give this a go first. The next thing I'm also going to do is I'm going to route the PCV valve into the line of the catch can, so just so it can be routed properly, because I forgot to route it and engine oil went everywhere last event, so my bad. Okay, so I am thinking to put all of this on these shelves and to reorganize everything. I might even go get some tubs from Kmart, or Big W, sorry, just so I can fit them on the shelves and everything will look so much neater as well. I don't know how I'm gonna do all this. I have a lot of stuff down the side of the house, so I'm gonna see if I can fit it all in here, I think. This toolbox, I want it over here. I think it would be really cool to have the toolbox here because it'd be so much easier to access while you're working on the cars, because like in between the cars, me goes here, Nori goes here, and you're kind of in between, you know? How much are these? $19. $19. I thought they were cheaper. I thought they were like $5. We went from looking for tubs to being in a game store. I don't know how this happened. Oh, that is a cute plush. Oh. God, throw away, it's okay. Oh, fuck. Today is the day of the Thrift event. It's just a wet pan, it's nothing crazy. It's just held by some friends and we're just gonna go there and have a blast. I'm gonna test the car, test the hydro. I've done everything to fix the hydro. The hydro is giving me grief. But yeah, I'm gonna do my best to see if I can fix the hydro at this event. If it isn't already fixed, I've changed the brake pads, I'm re-bleeding it. With the rod on the slave, there's like a nut on it. I'm gonna bleed it with the nut all the way out and see if it like actuates. That advice was given to me by one of my dad's mechanics. So I'm gonna give that a go today. I'm gonna also test the PCV valve to see if that's sorted and fixed. I really hope it is. I use the stock k24 PCV valve hose. So hopefully that fixes it. And now I'm gonna go buy some headlights from Super Cheap Auto and wire them in, and you guys are gonna come with me. It's gonna be a really fun day. I've shifted my whole mentality over the last week with drifting. I think like I was putting a lot of like pressure on myself with drifting in terms of competing, etc. And now I've just gone back to like my roots where I just want to have fun. So I'm really excited for today. I hope you guys are too. Good, how are you? of nowhere. Basically, I'm gonna go fill up diesel in the Trident, and then we're gonna go fill up E85 in Nori, and then go get some pie face for dinner, and then we're gonna head over to Eastern Creek, Sydney Motorsport Park, and get this wet paint day started.
Take it up with them, come and see me, or come and see this.
We are just about to go out, but Nori is looking a bit strange with this half-up headlight thing. Let's see if I can, there we go, adjust it a bit. Okay, there we go. Alright, let's do this. I'm gonna have to put my this camera down and switch to GoPro because I don't want to break this camera. Okay, we loaded up, ready to go back. That was a really chill, relaxing drift day, if I'm honest. Had a little bit of an incident where I almost went into the wall and the bumper came off. But, you know, it's part of drifting, and the car survived. Literally unmarked, which is amazing. But yeah, we are going to head off, and I guess